Hello guys, do you want to know how to make this shampoo? A shampoo that will grow your hair so fast, get rid of dandruff, itchy scalp, stop your hair from breaking. You just have to continue washing. Hello everyone, welcome again back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys what I add into my shampoo for fast hair growth to prevent itchy scalp and to stop dandruff. So look at this. This is the shampoo I've made before. I've shared it in this channel. So if you want to know how to make this shampoo, want to know how to grow your hair so fast by using this shampoo, so I'll be leaving the link in my description box. I'll also be leaving it in the comment section, right in the comment section. Just go through the link and see the way I made this shampoo. So in case you are new here and have not subscribed, kindly hit the red subscribe button and also turn on the bell so you get notified when I upload videos. This shampoo really foams so well, it lathers really well. I added natural ingredients that will help to boost your hair growth. But today I'm sharing this video because I want to add few ingredients that will stop hair from breaking, will prevent dandruff, help to stop itchy scalp. In the shampoo making, I didn't add those ingredients, so I decided to add it now. Okay, so first I'll just empty it into a clean bowl like this. So this shampoo has stayed in my house for more than 3 months. So if you watch the video, you see that I produce almost is it 3 cans of this or 4? Yes, I can remember it's 4 cans. So I'll be using it to wash my daughter's hair. My daughter's hair is really healthy, very good. If you have a relaxed hair, you can as well make use of this shampoo. It's not only for your natural hair, okay? The shampoo I made for her then stayed like 8 months, so it doesn't spoil. I didn't add any preservative. So I'll be adding vinegar, apple cider vinegar in this. Apple cider vinegar helps in treating itchy scalp, dry scalp, kills dandruff causing fungus and bacteria. So it's going to help to ensure you have a healthy scalp, preventing those dandruff, okay? So I'll just go straight and measuring the amount, the quantity I want to add into it. So I'll be adding 5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. So I'm going to mix it very well. This shampoo lathers really well, very, very well. It lathers well. So apple cider vinegar is safe for kids in case you want to use it to wash your daughter's hair, okay? Okay, so I'll be using ginger. Ginger is also very good. It helps to stop your hair from falling. It contains antifungal properties, perfect for removing dandruff causing bacteria. So this is very good for your hair. In case your hair always breaks, it will help to stop it and make your hair to grow faster. So you have to wash it and remove the back. So after washing it, you have to cut it into smaller size because I'm going to blend it. Transfer into your blender. Add a little water into it and blend. After blending, I'm going to strain it out. We need only the liquid, only the juice, okay? So I'll just transfer it in here in my black soap. Mix it very well. Make sure you mix it properly. So you just have to check the video on how to make this black soap. It helps a lot to grow your hair, makes your hair to grow in length and fullness, stop breakage of hair, gets rid of dandruff and itchy scalp. So it's very good for kids. If you want to use it for kids, very safe. I'm going to transfer it back into the can. With the help of a funnel, you can see it, guys. It's so foamy. It lathers really well. Even as I added some oils into the shampoo, it lathers really well. So I'm just waiting for the foam to get down before adding the next one. So this is the shampoo. So after adding my apple cider vinegar and ginger, look at it. So it's not so full because of the foam. I was waiting for the foam to get down, but you know, I just had to transfer it into the next can. Okay, so this is it. This can stay more than 1 year, okay, without any preservative. That is why black soap is very good. Black soap can last for ages. It depends on the ingredients you added into it. Some ingredients can actually make it to spoil, not last longer. So this can actually foam so well. You can see it, guys. If you watch how I made that shampoo, you will see the ingredients I added into it. I added some oils, nourishing oils that will stop your hair from breaking, that will nourish and moisturize your hair. This is my daughter's shampoo. This is what I use for her. Her hair is so healthy and very nice. So guys, that is it for now. This is what you should add into your shampoo to make your hair to grow non-stop, to prevent hair breakage, nourish your hair, moisturize your hair, stop dandruff and itchy scalp. Alright guys, so that is all. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. In case you have not subscribed yet to my channel, kindly do so by hitting the red subscribe button. Turn on the bell so you get notified when I upload videos. So I'll see you next time.